Are you thinking about Airbnb and the short-term rental market? Let's unpack what's been happening and look ahead to this year to see if that's a good idea. Number one, we expect the competition to heat up. It's a bustling scene out here. Big players have jumped into the short-term rental game, creating a highly competitive market. Plus, there's some pushback on Airbnb fees and cleaning charges from consumers. Despite this, it really varies by location. 2, a go-to recipe for success: great location, standout amenities, and competitive pricing are key. Properties that nail these elements will continue to attract guests. 3, keep an eye on the economy. Rising interest rates and new tax rules like the 1099-K guidelines are changing the landscape. It's a bit challenging, but it also opens new avenues. 4, a shift in travel hotspots. Big cities like San Francisco and New York are cooling, but coastal areas are emerging as new hotspots. It's a mixed bag with opportunities and challenges. 5, it's now a time to embrace change. For hosts in 2024, adaptability and understanding your market, plus focusing on guest experience, will be crucial. Let's keep this conversation going. If you've got thoughts or questions about how these trends might affect you, feel free to reach out. Let's make some sense of these changes together, and have a great day as always.